Hello, my friends. Today we are going to learn how to insert, and we're going to focus on images and videos. This is what your menu bar looks like, and when you click on insert, you get a whole bunch of choices, but today we're working on images and videos. So for images or photos, we are going to click on insert and then click on image. We'll have a choice to pick an image from our drive or from the internet. Again, insert, video. We'll have choices, again, to pick something from our drive or from YouTube. Challenge, the How Are You challenge. We put our name by just clicking next to name and the box pops up. And then we remember, in this challenge, we have to use our own videos, our own photos or pictures or videos from the internet. We're going to start on question 3 because I have something from my drive. So the question is, what is something good today? And my answer, is I get to hang out with this guy. Oops. See, look, I make mistakes too. And it's not handout, it's hangout. Now, I want to insert a photo from my drive. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and Drive. Again, I go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to go to Drive. So here are some of my recent pictures, and this is my guy. Yep, and you see how I'm clicking and moving my image around. I can resize it, but that is basically it. Now, let's say I want to, I don't have, what's been rough for me, I have missed my friends. My answer here, I'm double clicking at the end, enter, enter, or return, whatever you have on your keyboard. I miss my friends, period. So again, I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and search the web. So, and actually I want to click over here. Insert, Image, and search the web. And then I'm going to put the word lonely, whoops. So I don't want this, so I want to pick a picture that really suits me. Now, I can't really put any of these pictures because yes, these people are alone, but unfortunately I'm spending most of my time at home. So, and when I think about it, oh, these are great pictures, but what reflects me the best is looking out a window, sad. Sad person looking out a window. Let's try that. Let's see what we get. Now which one looks most like me? That person's hair is too straight. That person's hair is kind of messy. Let's go for that one. Because you know Miss Kate. And there it goes. Now my image is way too big. I want it on this half of the page. Now if I move things like this, you can see my picture is getting squished. So I'm going to hit the undo, or Command Z. If I come to one of the corners, the picture will stay looking good. I'm still a little big, so I'm making it smaller. There, I have it right there. Now, dance party. As it says right here, we are going to we are going to insert video and YouTube. And over here, we will insert video and then from Drive. So, watch this. Whoopsies. not YouTube, but here we want one from your drive. And some of you might not have a video of yourself in a dance party, so you might be using YouTube also. So let's start here with inserting a video from YouTube. And remember, it has to be clean. So I am going to go to Insert, Video, and now it's asking me in a little different way. So that's not my dog that I'm missing. I mean, that I happen to be with. That's my other dog who I love, but you know. So now I'm going to search. I want a Lizzo song that is clean. That means no explicit lyrics. So yeah, that word is not my first choice, but I know that there aren't any other. I know the song and it is appropriate except for that word. So here it is. Here's my song. I can test it. I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? So not bad. Now I want to insert a video. I have a video that I created for the dance. So I'm going to, again, insert video drive. So actually insert video, and then I'm going to click on Google Drive over here. And I'm choosing recent because it is the closest there. And now here's my dance. I click on it and I press select. And so you see that it looks really weird because that's in the wrong format. So I'm going to stretch it out. So if I present this, you can play the song and I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? So that is how we insert photos and videos. We press on our insert and click either image or video, and then we either go to our drive or from the internet or from search the web. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps.